AI is all around us these days. Basically, it's any technology that mimics a human brain, which means that it can come in more than one flavor. Two of its more popular types are conversational and generative AI. But what are they? What do they do? And wouldn't that be nice to know? Conversational AI can hold conversations with people. To talk with it, we don't have to write computer code or use awkward search phrases like in the old days. Instead, we can just use the normal way we speak and it'll understand us, just like we were talking to another person. It will usually present itself in the form of chatbots, voice assistants, smart devices, and the likes. Its goal is to sound natural and helpful.
How can I help?
When we ask it a question, it breaks down the words, then forms a response. For that, it uses a combination of natural language processing, or NLP, that analyzes single words, and NLU, or natural language understanding, that looks at whole sentences, context, and meaning. If you asked it, "What's the weather like tomorrow?" it'll check the forecast and tell you something like, "It's going to be a soggy one, rainy and 55 degrees." You can follow up with, "Should I bring an umbrella?" and it will understand your second question in context and say, "Absolutely." Now, generative AI can also converse with us using natural language, but its purpose is to create entirely new content, like images, text, business insights, or even music, all on its own. We ask it questions, or tell it to create things, through something called prompts. It will then think about it using complex neural networks, which are algorithms inspired by the human brain. Generative AI can have many different types or models, each designed to perform a different task. Each model is trained on massive amounts of data. It learns patterns, styles, and structures. Depending on what you need, generative AI models can answer complex questions, generate an image, story, or video, make predictions on the future, or compose a song and even perform it.
Generative AI is here to stay, helping us out in every little way.
You get the idea. So in case you didn't know that conversational AI is human-like communication, while generative AI is creating entirely new content, now you know.